Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. Many people ask, why do I need a password manager? Well, one reason we can't remember all of our passwords. Once upon a time, we all had two, maybe three passwords. I know I had one for my financial accounts and a separate one for everything else. A recent report found that the average person today has over 100 different passwords. So, how do we deal with all these passwords? A paper book beside our computer is far too common, very dangerous because it's easily stolen, and you don't have it with you when you're moving around. Some people put a document on their smartphone. You can take it with you, but what happens if your phone gets stolen? They've now got access to all your passwords. The second reason is that our passwords are too simple and easily hacked. According to a 2019 data breach investigation report, 80% of data breaches are caused by compromised, weak, and reused passwords. So, the best way to secure your passwords and your privacy and reduce the chance of your accounts getting hacked is to use a password manager. So, in this class, you will learn how your password manager can provide complex passwords that are unique for each account, how to access your passwords from all of your devices, no matter where you are, how to store other secure data, such as bank account numbers, in your password manager, the top password manager apps and how they differ. And finally, you'll see a demo of one of the top password manager apps so you can see how it works. So if you're concerned about your privacy, I hope you'll sign up for the class, meet other learners with similar interests, and become part of our lifelong learning community at Get Set Up.